Adding data into a report in Power BI involves connecting to your data source and importing the relevant data. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to do it. Open Power BI Desktop. Launch Power BI Desktop on your computer. Get Data. Click on the Home tab in the ribbon at the top. Select the Get Data option. This will open a drop-down menu with various data source options. Choose Data Source. Choose the type of data source you want to connect to, for example, Excel, SQL Server, CSV file. Click on the Data Source option to start the connection process. Connect to data. In the dialog box that appears, navigate to the location of your data source file, if applicable, or enter the connection details for your data source, for example, server name, database name. Follow the prompts to authenticate and connect to your data source. Select Data. Once connected, you'll see a navigator window displaying the available data tables or queries. Select the data you want to import into your Power BI report by checking the box next to each table or query. Click on the Load button to import the selected data into Power BI. Edit queries, optional. After loading your data, you can use the Power Query Editor to perform transformations, clean data, and shape it as needed before loading it into your report. Click on the Transform Data option to open the Power Query Editor and make any necessary edits to your data. View data in Report. View. Once your data is loaded into Power BI, you can switch to the Report view to start building visualizations and reports. In the Report view, you'll see a blank canvas where you can drag and drop fields from your data tables to create visualizations. Create visualizations. Drag fields from the fields pane onto the canvas to create visualizations such as charts, tables, maps, and more. Customize your visualizations by adjusting properties, formatting, and adding additional fields. Save your report. Once you've created your report, remember to save your work by clicking on the File tab and selecting Save or Save As. Refresh data optional. If your data source is dynamic and changes over time, you can set up automatic data refresh to keep your Power BI report up to date. That's it. You've successfully added data into your Power BI report and created visualizations to analyze your data. Keep exploring and experimenting with different visualization options to uncover insights from your data.